Welcome back, crypto lovers, and today we're going to talk about Thor Chain, which is RUNE, the coin. What a beautiful coin. We're going to talk about why it's exploding right now and why you should not miss it in the next time and actually start investing when you can, which is now. Welcome back to the Jomo Crypto Trading channel, where we talk all things crypto trading. We are looking at RUNE, number 45 in coin market cap. Volume 31 in ranking. This is a positive divergence. This is a long-term chart, a beautiful chart with ups and downs. Had an amazing bull run. People made here big bucks, and now it seems like it is awakening. Is that the truth or not? Let me just tell you a little bit about Thor before we continue. Thor is a cross-chain swaps. Many people love it. All right, this is the big thing in DeFi. They implemented many different changes. Technology. I care about the money. Eventually, bottom line, I want to make profit. Look at the Twitter. You can see over 200,000 people. There is a lot of hype around RUNE. People love it, and know what's good about this? It means that people buy. And I will tell you what, price action and price is moved primarily due to people's action and what they do. And what are they doing? They are buying RUNE right now. And we have traded RUNE. We actually made 100% on it. And just for you to see that I'm not just BSing you, here it is. This is the proof. Jomo Super Trader, that is Super Performer, that is me. September 14, this was our trigger to get into RUNE at around $1.6. All right, this is the signal. As you can see, we took it, boom, already 100% and counting. So I'm not just BSing, I'm not just talking the talk, I'm walking the walk. And I want you to see what I have seen in RUNE that you can see too. And to do that, I need to go to the technicals. I need to go to the chart, because even though fundamentals is what people love, we need to look for the chart, right, for the graph, for the technicals, to see where are your entry points, because you don't just want to buy a Hail Mary. No. Like, you know what? I heard an influencer say the other day that you need to buy as many altcoins as you can. Why? Because altcoins are like horses, and you want to bet at that horse that has a low probability of winning, because if it wins, you will win multiples of your bet. Gambling, that's gambling. We don't gamble. We make money consistently in this channel, all right? As you saw by the trade alert just over here that I put as a signal for our trading group. So let's move to the technicals, and I will tell you exactly what I've seen and what you should see from now on. This is RUNE. What a beautiful chart. I love charts. I'm in love with charts. I know many people say it's mumbo jumbo. But if you hear someone saying that charts are mumbo jumbo, they just don't understand what charts are all about. Charts is a representation of price action, all right? It is a representation, a graphic representation of all of the decisions of the people, the participants within the market, all right? And as you can see, these are weekly candles, right? Each candle is weekly. As you can see, we already had a big beautiful juicy bull run, right? So yes, I love RUNE, yes, I trade RUNE, but I wouldn't leave a big run on RUNE. Why? Because I think it has a cap. I have never seen almost coins that from one bull market to another made new all-time highs. Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum and Doge, maybe a little bit other, made a marginal higher high. But I wanted something that makes big bucks. Look at RUNE in the beginning, way back when, before it had a bull market, it made over 2,000%. All right, this is the returns that I'm looking for, and I will tell you something: you won't find them in these types of charts, even if you buy now. All right, until the last local high. That's only 800%. Is that good? Yes, but it will take so long for RUNE to do it. Why? Because of all this overhead supply. Overhead supply means trapped buyers. This is already kind of weak because people already bought it, sold it, got hit by it, and so on and so forth. But no, I'm not bearish about RUNE. I'm bullish about RUNE, and that's what we are here to talk about. We are here to talk about what you should do now, all right? And I will tell you exactly. We are right now breaking, again, this is the weekly chart. We are breaking for long-term stage 1 accumulation range, right? And just for you to remember, we entered over here the 1.6. I'm going to touch it in a second. We are breaking out right now from this long-term accumulation range, probably breaking out, right? Probably breaking out. And I will tell you that once we break out, I think that you should hold the coins at least until this area of resistance between the $6 and the $8, all right? So that will give you, all right, a good hefty 90 to 150% gain from here in the next couple of weeks to couple of months. Might do it. Of course, if something changed fundamentally, all right, something happens with the market, anything can happen, it can break down. However, if things go well, this can happen. I don't see new local highs soon, maybe in the next bull market, which will probably take many months, maybe even more than a year until the next halving, but it's a possibility. But what you can do, all right, is what we do in our group. And I'm going to go to the daily candles just to tell you, to show you how we operate. Okay, so we took the trade over here. This was where we took the trade, all right, the 1.6 level, just for you to make sure, all right. I told you in the beginning, you can go back and view it. I'm going to move this to blue because blue is entries, actually a little bit below because it was 1.6362. This was our entry, right? This was our entry. We took some profits into strength, of course, while it went up. It made 35%. We took some profits, held the rest, all right? We had a stop loss. If we were wrong, we had a stop loss just below this pivot over here, because sometimes you are wrong and you don't want to be losing money while you are wrong. Remember, you don't want to lose money while you're wrong. It never hit our stop loss, so the rest of the position is just flying high, all right? Since then, all right, we made an extra 90% on this. Well, 100% almost on our entry, okay? Almost 100% on our entry on RUNE and counting. Now, we are traders, so we are trained to take money into strength. We don't just hodl for the long term and hope. We are not hopium over here, okay? We are money makers. So how do you make money? You take profits into strength, and we already took profits into strength. But I will tell you what, because this is a bull market, we use a tactic, right? We don't just Hail Mary. We don't use betting and gambling as options and as strategies and tactics. We use beautiful, lovely money-making tactics. One of those is to keep 5 to 10% of our profits on each winning trade and investment we make for the long run. So even this RUNE, even if we take out 80 or 90% of our profits out already, we will leave 5 to 10%, maybe a bit more if it's a really good juicy move, right, for the long term. Why? Because in the next bull market, this will double and triple from here, right? This will double and triple from here. Why? Because this is a very good project in the DeFi sector, which is a booming sector. DeFi and GameFi are the best sectors and narratives in crypto up to date. All right, everybody, I hope you liked what I had to say. Please remember to like and subscribe because you don't want to miss out on my videos, because sometimes I make videos on real-time entries on trades and investment. So click that like, all right, subscribe, boom, bell notification so you won't miss out. And if you really want to make money consistently and don't just rely on free content, join our community, all right? Just join the community and invest in yourself. I recommend you to click on the link in the description or in the first comment, and it will take you to our Patreon page, all right? The Jomo's Trade Club. Choose any tier you want. You want just update and signals, want to get in and out? Choose the Alpha Trader. You want to talk with me once a month about your portfolio, how you manage it, and get free videos and more exclusive content? Super Trader. If you want to trade shoulder by shoulder with me, all right, weekly calls of an hour and talking about how we can improve you as a trader, take the VIP, I don't care. This is for you. You take it, invest in yourself. You want to make money today, and you want to position yourself now for the next bull market. And if you do that, you will get the signals and make money just like we do in our group. As I said, this is RUNE. Another example is INJ. INJ, just from this month, just for a week ago, we got in an INJ at $10. This is the second time we enter in INJ, by the way, the second time we enter in INJ, and it's already at 15 bucks. So from this entry alone, we are 50% and counting. Another one is Solana, right? At 24.68 was our entry, all right? We saw it coming. As you can see, this is from the 19th of October. By the way, this is my name. I'm not BSing you, okay? Not BSing you. And now it's at 40 bucks. It's above 50% and counting on Solana. We have more examples. This is Naka. We started trading Naka back in June at the 30 and 33 cents level. We added at the 42, we added at the 62, we added at the 70, we added at 78, and now it's at 92. We made 300% from our initial investment on Nakamoto Games. Why? Because we understand how to find the next mega bangers, the next mega trades. And you know what? You don't need to invest too much time. I know you have a family, you have a job, all right? I'm here to do the heavy lifting for you. I will find the trades. I will tell you all about them. I will make you hyped. I will tell you when to enter, when to exit, how much to hold, and so on and so forth. So do yourself a favor. I really recommend join our group. Click on the link in the description or in the first comment, and of course like, subscribe, and put the bell notification because that's free content. All right, everybody, I hope you liked what I had to say, and until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.